Hello and welcome to this Nittan guidance video covering the menu navigation of the Evolution 1 panel. Before you proceed, you will need to log in to access the panel controls. TGV-10 and 11 show the login procedure. Once you're logged into the home screen, the first icon is the green arrow for auto search function, which is covered in technical guidance video TGV-11. From the home screen, you can select the zone icon, where you can view the list of zones. If you touch on one of the zones, the panel will pop up a QWERTY keyboard where you can type the name and location for your zones. Press the tick to close the keyboard and save the changes. In Zone Details, you will find two menu tabs. The first is Zone Mode, where you can change the enablement status of the zones. You have the options to disable zone inputs, disable zone outputs, disable the zone completely, put the zone into walk test, or walk test with sounders. The second zone tab is Zone Device, where you can see the total number of devices in each zone. When you have completed in this section, click on the door symbol to exit. Ensure you select the tick when prompted, confirm the changes. From the home screen, select the point icon, where you can view the list of point devices. If you touch on one of the devices, the panel will pop up a QWERTY keyboard where you can type the name and location for your device. Press the tick to close the keyboard and save any changes. Also in Point Details, you will find four menu tabs. The first is Basic, where you can change the enablement status of the device. You have the options to disable input only, disable output only, disable the device completely where applicable. If you click on the zone column, a numeric keypad will pop up and allow you to allocate the device to a different zone. Press the tick to close the keyboard and save the changes. The second point tab is Real Time, where you can see the actual analog values being returned by the devices. This can be used for fault finding. The third point tab is Options, where you can change the settings of the devices. For example, switch off the polling flash, change the smoke sensitivity and heat sensor for day and night conditions. You can also change settings of I/O modules to choose tech alarm input, for example. The fourth tab is Add and Remove, where you can manually add or remove devices. When you have completed in this section, click on the door symbol to exit. Ensure you select the tick when prompted, confirm the changes. From the home screen, you can select the log icon. You can scroll up and down to view the color-coded event log. Red indicates a fire event, yellow is a fault or warning, green is a test, and purple is a general note of change. Click on the door symbol to exit. From the home screen, you can select the system icon. Here you will find four menu tabs. The first is Strings, where you can enter the installation details, such as the address, installer name, and contact details using the keyboard as before. The second system tab is Clock, where you can very easily enter the current system time and date. The third system tab is Users, where you can change the passcodes for all users. You can also change the user names themselves to actual people's names using the keyboard as before. The fourth system tab is Language, where you can choose one of the available panel languages if you wish. When you have completed in this section, click on the door symbol to exit and ensure you select the tick when prompted confirm the changes. From the home screen, you can select the local I/O icon. Here you will find 4 menu tabs, one for each of the panel inputs and one for each of the sounder circuits. In each case, you can edit the text, change the zone allocation and enablement status. In the case of the inputs, you can also set them to indicate a non-fire tech alarm event. Click on the door symbol to exit. Ensure you select the tick when prompted, confirm the changes. From the home screen, you can select the day-night icon. Here you will find a list of any day settings the panel has programmed. If you need to add any, click on the folder with the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Then select the day of the week and the start and finish time, and press the tick to confirm. Any delays for device settings set for day will follow these hours. At every other time, they will follow the night settings. If you need to delete any day slices, click on it, then press the dustbin at the bottom of the screen. When you have completed in this section, click on the door symbol to exit and ensure you select the tick when prompted, confirm the changes. If you select the LCD LED icon on the panel, it will test all of the LED indicators, cycle through the screen colors, and sound the buzzer. From the home screen, you can select the network icon. Under the menu tab RS485 is where you can configure the system of multiple panels. You can enter the node address for the panel and give the panel its name or location. Select Enabled, and you will need to do this on all panels on the network. Then press on the tick and the panel will find all the other panels on the system. Once the network is configured, you can make any of the menu operations from any other panel. You simply press on the desired operation icon, then you will be asked which panel you wish to access. The local panel is indicated yellow when you select it. The network TCP/IP and cloud menu tabs are for future implementation of the Nittan portal remote access. When you have completed in this section, click on the door symbol to exit and ensure you select the tick when prompted, confirm the changes. From the home screen, you can select the delays icon. Here you have the option to cancel any delays set in the panel configuration. Select delays cancelled on to deactivate the delays, and off for the delays to be active. When you have completed in this section, click on the door symbol to exit and ensure you select the tick when prompted, confirm the changes. Please refer to the manual for further information. Thanks for watching, and for further helpful videos, please refer to the Nittan channel on YouTube.